Pedal work. Mastering the art of expression in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Our focus is on the phrase, pedal work. This might sound like it's about bicycles or cars, but in English, phrases often have meanings that are not immediately obvious. So, let's explore what pedal work really means in different contexts. Pedal work primarily comes from the world of music, specifically referring to the use of pedals in instruments like pianos and organs. In these instruments, pedals play a crucial role in controlling sound and adding expressive depth. Therefore, pedal work in music refers to the skillful use of these pedals to enhance the performance. However, in everyday English, pedal work can take on a more figurative meaning. It can describe any situation where careful control, skill, or manipulation is needed to achieve a desired effect. For example, in a complex project at work or in navigating a tricky social situation. Let's see how pedal work can be used in everyday English. 1. In a work scenario, our team's success in this project really came down to some fine pedal work by our manager. Here, pedal work is used to describe the manager's skill in handling the project's complexities. 2. In personal skills, good negotiation is all about subtle pedal work, knowing when to push hard and when to ease off. This shows pedal work as a metaphor for the art of negotiation. When using pedal work, it's important not to confuse it with literal references to pedaling a bike or driving a car. While it can be used metaphorically in various contexts, its use is typically more nuanced and leans towards skills, subtlety, and control. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, pedal work, in English. Remember, language is like music. It's all about the right rhythm and expression. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to try using idiomatic expressions in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language adventure.